Welcome to our tour of Deluxe Suite, number 608 on board Starseeker. This suite type can be found on decks 5 and 6. You enter the suite straight into the living area, which then leads onto the bedroom and bathroom. At the entrance is some shelving, where you will find an atlas and a pair of binoculars. The living area is a nice size, with a sofa and a writing desk. There's a large TV above the desk, and there's plenty of room if you need to work during your cruise. This is also where you'll find your mini fridge. A European and a multi-country plug can be found at the desk, along with a USB and USB-C port. The open wardrobe can be found to your left on your way into the bedroom. It has a small amount of hanging space and some shelving along with 2 drawers. There is also a large safe in here. The bedroom itself is compact, but is plenty big enough for sleeping and relaxing. You'll find a small bedside table either side of the bed for storage. The bed can be set up as a queen or twins, with storage below for your suitcases. The bathroom is nicely designed, but you will find that it's exactly the same as all of the other cabins on the ship. You have a waterfall shower, along with 3 jets and a small seat. You also have a smaller shower that's fixed at one height. Shampoo, conditioner and shower gel are provided. The balcony is a nice size, with fantastic views out to sea. There are 2 chairs and a small coffee table. We visited on the Maiden Voyage, so we're not sure if additional furniture will be added. Nothing blocks the view from this balcony. There's nothing below you and no overhang above. Being on decks 5 and 6, you really feel close to the ocean. We didn't stay in this cabin, so we can't give an opinion based on experience. However, from the time we spent touring the cabin, it feels as though it would be a really nice space to relax and spend some time out on the balcony. The storage is limited and is less than what you get in the lead-in Ocean View cabin, so that's something to consider. What do you think of this suite? Is it one that you would choose or have stayed in before? Let us know in the comments below. If you found the video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's completely free to you and means a lot to us. We'll have plenty more videos to come. Thanks for watching.